Bengali film, right? Nagar Kirtan release झाली असा. So we want to know something about your movie.
This is a beautiful love story between a transgender girl and it's a beautiful love story about two people whose orientation, as we call in society, are not normal. Love is unconditional, love is pure. So it's a journey about a boy who has a woman trapped inside his body and how he accomplishes the taboo of the Indian society.
And what difficulties do you face? Like,
The biggest difficulty was to convince oneself to integrate a girl because I am very clear about my orientation and gender. So when you break that and try to understand the psychology of a person who has a woman trapped inside a man's body, I think that's the most difficult thing to understand, to convince yourself and those things. So I feel that it was my intent to push it.